don't film my phone.
Oh, the light's on. How important this is that I'm recording.
Let me come up on this shit, dude. Oh, well, you already recorded it, so I can't.
Where the fuck is George? I'm recording myself driving. What?
Yo, I'm just gonna stay like this.
Yeah, give me my opinion. I'm gonna put on the mask.
Oh, dude. This shit is gonna be so damn. We're gonna scare the fuck out of me.
Here, give me my opinion. Give me my fucking
Pull
beanie.
your fucking seat up there.
I did.
Fuck.
Why are you going on this side?
Where's your beanie?
It was in here
Oh,
somewhere.
you threw it in the bag, dude.
In the trunk?
In the trunk.
Ah,
yeah.
Open
shit.
the trunk and I'll get off and get it.
Man, I can't get off.
Why the fuck
I don't
not?
Oh, fuck, I want to get off. Alright, hold on.
Oh, can't I just open it from back here?
Nah, I need the key. I got it. Oh, shit, hold on.
Oh, shit, dude. I broke table 3.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking down.
Oh, why the fuck did you throw it back there?
Did you break the shit out of it?
I like cracked it.
Oh, fuck yeah. There goes Fable 3.
Isn't that the one that you just bought?
Yeah. Where's the hole at? Oh, there it is.
You're robbing the place?
Yo, dude, we're gonna get the cops called on our ass.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did I get? You broke Fable 3. Oh, I'm gonna get like.
How honest I was being.
Oh, you didn't break it? Oh, you sick bastard. Oh, hell yeah. Thank God. I'm gonna get.
Hey, they can't hear you, you motherfucker.
I know. An Oreo shake.
Hey, order 10 tacos.
10 tacos.
Yeah, fuck you. Ask if George is there. Lower the volume.
No thanks. Can I get 10 tacos?
Okay.
And Oreo shake.
And the
Sorry,
big
we're having
cheeseburger.
steaks and smoothies right now.
Ah, damn it.
Tell her a big cheeseburger.
A what?
A big cheeseburger.
A big cheeseburger?
Regular cheeseburger?
A big
cheeseburger.
like Biggie Smalls.
Like Biggie Smalls.
Sorry?
A big cheeseburger.
Is there
And that'll be all.
And the cock. Ask for George. Nah, fuck that. I can't go with this mask on, dude. I don't feel sick. Put that shit on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put that shit. Yeah. Put that shit. Oh, fuck.
You see the light.
Shit, do I turn it off or what?
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah.
Keep recording.
She's gonna shit. Keep recording.
I'm not gonna put it on, dude.
You're not? Can I put it on and make myself look like a prisoner? And then I'll be like, help! Help!
Record him.
Help me! I'm like, oh, boom, we pull up. Oh, okay, fuck that light though. That shit is annoying. I'll be like, help me!
I should just stop talking to you.
Yo, I'll be like, help me! And then I'll be like, oh, did you get the curly fries? Oh.
I just fucking snorted.
Oh,
Oh, shit, it's gonna be hard keeping a straight face.
look at just like the time I yelled at Pito in front of those ladies.
Oh, shit.
Hey, is that shit bringing chickens? Ryder from Grand Theft Auto.
Ryder.
Rocky Mount, North Carolina. North Carolina.
Do I stop recording? Or keep going?
What do you pay at?
I think up
Up
there.
ahead. Up ahead. Up ahead. Take it.
Up ahead. Up ahead.
And he said it.
Booty right there.
It was his license plates expired. Oh no, they didn't.
In August.
Yeah, 2012.
Does Abraham actually get mad when you tell him to say stuff?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
How I'm burning this because of the light.
Oh,
Here
I
it comes.
know.
Here it comes.
You have to record this motherfucker.
No, record the lady. Turn the light off and record the lady. Turn the fucking light off.
You can't turn the light off.
And I'll be like, help!
Here,